Raise your hand if your neck is darker than the rest of your body. If your neck is darker than your face and your chest, raise your hand. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is ohemaabonsuyt, and if you haven't yet clicked to watch any of my videos, welcome. I'm here. Just make sure you share with your friends and make sure that they come back and watch this video. And just remember that if you are subscribed, you want to click that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video, okay? But yeah, my wigs are back. Let me know on a scale of 1 to 10 how we're feeling this, because I am living for this big hair. Okay. Absolutely. So I am here today with a talk through video. I'm not talking through anything. I'm just sharing something with you because I have this problem, and most of the times I get comments on my video post or my posts on YouTube and on Instagram about people having the same kinds of issues. So I decided to actually come to you guys and show you guys how I am taking care of that problem, because I have it myself, and I just wanted to make sure that I put it out there so that anybody that hasn't found a holistic solution to their problems know that there's another option for them to use so they can take care of this issue. Okay, so if you want to see what issue I'm talking about, keep watching. We are talking about dark neck. Okay, it's one of those things, at least for me, that I never noticed it when I was skinnier. I never noticed it when I didn't have any kids. I never noticed it way back when. I actually started noticing it more. Well, 2016 was when I actually started noticing how bad it was, because I think that was when I started doing full face makeup and, you know, trying to color match and balance and everything. And that was when I noticed that my neck was significantly darker than my face and my chest. Because usually your neck and your face are about the same shade, but I noticed that my neck was way, like 2-3 shades darker than my face and my chest, right? I didn't know what it was. I tried scrubbing my neck. I tried the holistic approach with the honey and the milk and the exfoliating sponge. I did everything I possibly could to try to get rid of it. And every time I would try to exfoliate my skin, I would obviously hurt my skin, and then it will actually come back, and it will come back darker than before. So that was a problem, because I wanted to make it in this beauty community, you know, and having a neck that was significantly darker than my face or my chest was posing a problem, because no matter what I did, my makeup wouldn't look uniform. Like I would match my face to my chest, but then my neck would look significantly darker. And even if I matched my face to my neck, then my neck and my head looks like it doesn't belong on my body. It was a struggle for me to try to figure out what to do. And the one thing that I refused to do was to blend my foundation into my neck, because, you know, on my face it's already hard enough to like hug people and, you know, keep everything looking flawless all the time. Now I have to blend into my neck and make sure that it doesn't crease and move and slip and slide. Like, I feel personally like putting foundation on your neck is a lot of work. I think it's too much work, matter of factly, because I have to make sure that it sets. I have to make sure that when I powder my face, I powder my neck too. Like, I just think it's too much work. So because I didn't want to put foundation on my neck, I decided to I did some research on Google to try to find out cures and remedies for fixing dark neck. And the only solution that I saw that I thought was possible for me was for me to go and see my doctor. Okay, so I saw my doctor, and I was like, so why is this happening? And she said, well, it's not because you have diabetes. So like, if that was what you were worried about, then, you know, forget it. You don't have it, because she did a blood test, everything. Okay. Yeah. So she prescribes a medicine for me, and she prescribed Triluma. It's this pill or this cream, right? So this is the cream that I have been using. It is yellowish on the inside. You put, what I do is I put a few spots on my neck you know, and then I blend it in. You're supposed to use it once a day. Whenever I started using it, I was using it twice a day because I needed my neck to clear up as fast as possible so I can keep doing makeup, and I didn't want my downtime to be too much. So I started using it whenever it was prescribed to me, and I think it actually saw a difference in the shade of my neck around week 2 of me using it morning and night, which, let me tell you, that's too much use of it. And at some point, this part of my neck became entirely too light, so I stopped using it for about a week, and then I came back and I was doing like one day on, one day off type of thing. And I usually put it on during the day because I feel like if I put it on during the day, it has more time to work compared to just putting it on night. And you know, so that's what I was doing, and it cleared up my neck really, really well. I think it, you know, it did really well. And then after the tube was done, being the procrastinator that I am, I did not order a refill. And also, I just wanted to give it a break and see what would happen. So I stopped using it for a while, and my neck started getting dark again. So then I went back and I got the, you know, the refill. And now what I do is I use it at night. I use it only once a day, whether it's during the day or my nighttime routine. I make sure to only use it once a day, and I alternate the days that I use it. That way it would last longer, and I wouldn't run into the risk of having my neck or having patches on my neck become significantly lighter than the rest of it, because this part of my neck is darker. I put some of the medicine over there, but I don't put too much. I do not put any on my face because I'm not trying to bleach my skin. I'm just trying to make sure that my neck is uniform to my chest and to my face, especially when I put makeup on, because that is, you know, that is what I'm trying to do, you know? So I have to make sure that something works and it looks good. So yeah, this is what I've been doing for my dark neck. I mean, you can see in the clips that I showed you guys that no matter what I did, my neck was significant. It was like, it was textured. It just wasn't working for me. Okay. So that's what I did. I've actually seen a few videos on YouTube about, you know, exfoliating and putting honey in milk. But for me, every time I had to exfoliate, it would in turn make my neck hurt, number one, because I'm scrubbing too hard. And number two, it would actually make my neck darker than it actually was in the beginning of the whole thing, you know? So yeah, I'm using medication prescribed by the doctor to bleach my skin. I know somebody's gonna ask me what caused the dark neck. I don't know why my neck got significantly darker than my body. I put it out on Facebook one time, and somebody said it's because I had kids and that's why my neck got darker. I am also thinking it's because I gained a lot of weight and that's why my neck is darker, because when I was a size 0, I didn't notice that my neck was darker. When I was size 2, I didn't notice my neck was darker. So I would say that for me, well, personally, I think that the reason why my neck got darker was because I gained so much weight. Okay, I am working out daily to try to reduce my weight, because I never thought in my entire life that I would be this weight. But I think that is why my neck got darker, you know, significantly darker than the rest of my body. So yeah, I am hoping that once I control my weight and I go back down to my original weight, or back down into my pre-baby weight, that I will not have to use this medicine anymore. But yeah, if you've tried natural remedies and nothing has worked for you, then I suggest you go talk to your doctor and see what medicines you can use to control your neck getting significantly lighter than the rest of your body. Yeah. So yeah, you guys, that's essentially all that I came to say. I don't have any magic natural remedy or whatever that's worked for me, because I tried it didn't work. So I just want the most easy, most I guess, yeah, I want the easier route I want the easier route. I want the route that I felt would work for me. And I think that it's worked really well. So my neck still kind of is slightly darker than the rest of my body, but it's not as dark as it is in this clip, you know, because girl, that was not a good look. Like, I remember doing that peach, my very first peach look and my face and my chest was matching, but I took a selfie and girl, the way my neck was looking. Let me know down below in the comments if you have used any natural remedies that has worked for you, because I do want to try it in between the days that I don't use the Western medicine. Yeah, so let me know down below in the comments if you've used any natural remedies that's worked for you. I really hope to see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Give me a huge thumbs up if you like this video, and let me know if you're going to go talk to your doctor. Let me know if you do go talk to your doctor and if you start using your medicine, and let me know if you like it and how it works for you. Okay? Okay, you guys, so yeah, I'm not gonna read anything off of this and pretend like I know what I'm talking about, because I don't. All I know is I went there, they gave me some medicine. It has a few other medicines in here, so make sure you talk to your doctor. They will look at you and prescribe the right kind of medicine for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.